Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely delicious Mediterranean baked mackerel. This recipe is light, healthy and bursting with flavors from the Mediterranean. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 2 whole mackerel, cleaned and gutted, or if you prefer, you can use 4 fillets. For that rich Mediterranean taste, grab 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a lemon sliced, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a cup of halved cherry tomatoes, half a cup of pitted and sliced Kalamata olives, and a small red onion sliced thin. Don't forget a teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes if you like a bit of heat, and of course salt and black pepper to taste. To finish it all off, some fresh parsley for garnish. Alright, let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking dish with parchment paper or lightly grease it with some olive oil. Now it's time to prepare the star of the show, the mackerel. Pat the fish, dry with paper towels. If you're using whole mackerel, make 3 diagonal cuts on each side. This will help all those amazing flavors soak in. Season the fish with a bit of salt, black pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Next, let's assemble everything. Place the mackerel in the baking dish. Surround it with cherry tomatoes, olives, red onion slices, and those lovely lemon slices. Sprinkle the minced garlic, dried oregano, and red pepper flakes over everything. Then drizzle the entire dish with that golden olive oil. Pop the dish into the oven and bake for 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the fish is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. The aroma is going to be incredible, trust me. Once it's out of the oven, garnish with fresh parsley. Serve it up warm with some crusty bread, rice or a side salad. This dish is not only healthy but also packed with delightful Mediterranean flavors. There you have it, Mediterranean baked mackerel, quick, easy and incredibly tasty. If you have any substitutions or variations you'd like to share, drop them in the comments below. Enjoy your meal and happy cooking. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you soon.